Handyman 5 guys, check it out, man. We're gonna let Mad Max rip real quick for a little bit. You know what I'm saying, guys? From the boat view. We're gonna do this shit from the boat view, guys. And we losing daylight too, so we gotta hurry the hell up. We losing daylight, guys. Let's get up out of here, man. Oh shit, guys, Mad Max. Damn. Mad Max in a sticky situation in this joint. Let's get him out, guys. Let's get him out. Mad Max in a sticky situation. Let me wipe this lens off real quick, guys. Wipe this lens off real quick for a little bit. So check it out, man. We jumping and we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut that joint.